What's up? To use my face this time. But Chris Gilbert, Chris Yak Outdoors, and we're here on the river trying to catch some fish. And it's freaking windy too. You guys can probably hear it. But yeah, let's catch some fish. Got him. Look at that. Look at that, dude. I saw a ball of shadow flip over there and I was like, oh, crankbait time. Look at that. First fish of the day. I've been out here for about 5 minutes. And I'm scared to get hooked. There you go, bud. Oh, I got you good. You got yourself good. Oh, we're almost there, bud. Almost there. Oh. There you go, bud. See ya. Guys, back up there and get me another one. I'm just going on the crankbait, but I feel like the jig's gonna come in right here. Just feeling it. He got me a good one. A good one's in a keeper. There we go. Oh, look at that, look at that net job, look at that. Didn't even have my net extended. That's how you know I'm a pro, okay? Like, I don't even need a net extended to catch a fish. I probably didn't even need that to begin with. That was just making you guys feel safe. Oh my god, look how I T-boned that. It's hard to see with the net there, but T-boned that thing. Let's see if I can get him the hook out of the net. There we go. You choke that thing. You crawdad in his gullet too. Okay. Look at that. Okay. I'll get you off here, bud. There we go. Look at that. Not half a bad one. See you, dude. Oh, I love fishing. Get everything put up now that I know I can actually catch a fish. But I just want to say, like, thanks for watching these videos. Like, I know I only got like 30 subscribers, and I really appreciate anybody who watched this video. Like, even if you dislike it, thanks for watching, because like, it helps. I think I want to go over there. Go over there. So we're gonna do that. It's out of the wind, so I don't have to be paddling. Call me a giant on the drop shot. Oh boy, you can't flop like that, dog. Okay, there we go. What a monster. What a monster. If I can catch me another one right here. This is probably the only thing I've been having hit the drop shot this whole time. Okay, I did not catch another one off that tree. I broke my drop shot, and now I have a lipless on there. So I'm gonna try to go over here where it's super freaking windy. Catch me another one on the crankbait. Gosh darn it, it's getting so windy. We're gonna have to put another notch on the hat. So you know it's getting windy when you got to tighten your hat. Hold up, while I'm not in the wind, this is a great opportunity to talk about what I want to talk about. See this freaking crankbait, this wiggle wart? My dad can throw this thing like you can't believe. He'll smoke anybody any day when the conditions are right to throw this freaking thing. And it's insane. I mean, I think I can throw a crankbait pretty good. Like, I think I'm pretty good at it. But he can throw it like it's nobody's business. Like they've never seen the gosh darn thing before. But you can teach me about that. I mean, like you might be thinking to yourself, "Oh, he caught a fish. He can catch more fish." So yeah, I can catch a few fish, but not like he can. But I also can catch docks. Oh wait, did I not get the dock? Did I get a rock? Got it. Let's go. Nope, got him. Oh, he's fighting pretty good. Oh. What's up, bud? Another T-boner. There we go. That's a pail, dude. Look at that. I love it when I see that, when they just T-bone it like that, but he got it. He got two trebles on one side of his mouth. Hold up, I need to put you in the net for a minute, bud. You're going in the net for a minute. Trying to break that out of my rod. Okay. Make sure I don't go flying somewhere. Okay. Here we go. What's up, dude? I hope I didn't keep you waiting for too long. Okay. Oh, you want to fight, aren't you? Oh, this one's for the pliers. That's one. That's two. Look at that. Another okay one. Not too big, not too small. See you, dude. Oh. That feels pretty freaking good. After talking about how I can't catch fish on that thing, for me to catch a fish on it. Oh, let's see if we can reproduce. Got me another one. I don't think he's half bad. Oh, he's not bad. Look at that. That is a not bad one, if I say so myself. Not half bad. Oh, he just barely got it too. Look at that. Oh. Oh, you barely got it, dude. That's a pretty good one. That is a pretty good one. My God, she looks pretty in that sun. Time to let this big girl go. Ah. Oh, here we go. See, big girl. See it. Oh, which side would be better? This side, probably. Oh, no, this side. Oh, good, good, go, big girl. You're good to go. Come on. Come on. You going? Oh, you're gone. See you, big girl. Thanks for the fight. Appreciate it. What's up? I know it's kind of a weird segue into like you're releasing a big fish and then me in a boat. Not me in my kayak. I know I didn't even say like after action fishing report. But this is what I caught him on. Oh, this is a different rod, by the way. My dad built me a really good cranking rod. So that's, I retired my old rod. Okay, let's see if you guys can see that. Okay, so that is what I caught him on today. Same thing that I showed you in the last video when I exited out, but I highly doubt any of you watched the last video because I have no one following me. That's just how that works. I'm not sad about it, it's just the sad truth. So I did all my damage with that, and that one, I know you guys didn't see me hook into it, but I mean, I thought that, you saw that, that thing would not let go in my kayak. That thing wanted to be under there, but I mean, it was a fun day. Caught him on that crankbait. Video is probably going to be 10 minutes instead of the last one being like 20 minutes. Same amount of fish were caught. It's crazy. And I did, and I had a few hits on this jig. Let's see if I can get it out of here real quick. Yeah. Few hits on this jig. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, you guys can barely see it. You can't tell what kind of jig it is. But it's like I'd say it's an avocado. I don't know. It's a weird color. But yeah, I mean, that's about it. Saw the big fish. I'm glad I caught a big fish. I didn't even know if I'd catch a fish that day. It was just super windy. Like, I couldn't even, like, you guys saw, like, it took me like maybe 3 paddles to get to 1 cast. It was crazy. But, yeah, thanks for watching the video, guys. Appreciate it. If you get this far, please like and subscribe. They say if you say subscribe, that people actually subscribe. So I'm trying that, you know. I got like 31 subscribers. I need all the help I can get. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.